will do Kapalabhati breathing. It's a very powerful. Kapa means cranial, Bhati means light. This is a very good breathing exercise for the morning. So always in the breathing exercise, we put a force in the inhalation. This breathing exercise is the opposite. We must put the effort and the attention in the exhalation. Always to the nose, mouth closed, always to the nose. You can put your hands like this. You can put your hands in Chin Mudra also. If you can do Chin Mudra, is better. So take a deep inhalation and put your attention in the exhalation. And continue. Close your eyes. Continue. And relax. Take a normal inhalation. Inhale. Exhale. And one deep and slow inhalation. Deep and slow. Inhale more and hold the air inside. Inhale. Hold the air inside for 1 minute. Hold, 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 hold. 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 And slowly breathe out. And relax, normal breathing and breathe out. Take another deep inhalation and feel the air moving in and moving out your body. How change, how is more light, more easy to keep oxygen to the body. We do again, Kapalabhati. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale. Another deep inhalation. Put your attention in the exhalation. Push your belly inside. Normal breathe in and breathe out. And one deep and slow inhalation. Inhale as much you can. Inhale up your chest. Bring your attention to your chest. Inhale more. Inhale, inhale, and hold the air inside for 1 minute. Hold the air inside for 1 minute. And slowly breathe out. Very slowly breathe out. Normal inhalation and exhalation. This Kapalabhati is very powerful for increment the capacity of our lungs. So if you do this every morning, also you will become more healthy, more energetic.